Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of December 2023 for all the Gemini Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of December for all the Gemini Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Sun controls your third house, and right now Sun is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Scorpio. Third house deal with your communication, your younger siblings, your cousins, your neighbors, your childhood friends is seen from third house. Mainly your efforts and communication skills are seen from third house. So right now your third house lord is moving in your sixth house. Sixth house deal with your court case, litigation, arguments, fights. And Sun will stay in your sixth house till 17th of December. After 17th of December, Sun will move to your seventh house in the sign of Sagittarius. So till Sun is moving in your sixth house, then we can expect you may have to face some argument, difficulties, and confrontation regarding your younger siblings, cousins, neighbors in the month of December, because right now your house lord of communication is moving in your sixth house, in the house of competition, in the house of argument. But after 17th of December, when Sun will move to your seventh house in the sign of Sagittarius, then we can expect good result regarding your get-together with your cousins, neighbors, and also we can expect good result regarding your marriage-related matter, because Mercury is already moving in your seventh house, and from seventh house Mercury is respecting your first house, means our Mercury is also your ascendant lord. That's why we can expect good result after 17th of December when Sun will move to your seventh house regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your personality, and regarding your get together and fame related matter. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Mercury is very important planet for you people, because Mercury controls your first house. Mercury is your ascendant lord and also controls your fourth house, and right now Mercury is moving in your seventh house in the sign of Sagittarius, as we discussed previously in Sun section. Mercury will also turn into its retrograde motion in your seventh house after 13 December 2023 and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your relationships in general, seen from seventh house, your business partnership, your fame, how you will meet others and how others perceive you is also seen from seventh house. First house, you, your personality, your general aspects of life is seen from first house. Your general health is also seen from first house. Fourth house deal with your mother's health, your relationship with your mother is seen from fourth house. Your home, your properties, your vehicles, and your comfort in life is also seen from fourth house. So right now first house and fourth house lord is moving in your seventh house, and also Mercury is about to turn into retrograde motion after 3rd December, after 13th December 2023. That's why we can expect good result regarding your fame related matter, regarding your marriage related matter, and your comfort related matter in the month of December, because your lord of happiness is also moving in your seventh house, and your ascendant lord is also moving in your seventh house, and from seventh house Mercury is expecting your ascendant. Means right now you're ascended in a very strong position, but you need to be take care of your mother's health and your relationship with your mother, because Ketu is moving in your seventh house from after 30th October 2023. That's why we can expect some disturbance regarding your relationship with your mother and your mother's health if she is facing some difficulties previously in their life. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of December. Now for all the Gemini ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your 5th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Libra. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolation, your long-term investment is seen from 12th house. Your foreign settlement related matter and your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. 5th house deal with your children, your love relationships, your early education, your mental ability is also seen from 5th house, and your fun activities also seen from 5th house. So right now 12th house lord is moving in your 5th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your children's health if you have children right now. Also we can expect good result regarding your education related matter, and also we can expect good result if you want to travel somewhere for your education related matter, because right now your foreign settlement lord is moving in the house of education. Also we can expect good result if you have any love relationship, any girlfriend, boyfriend. Also we can expect good result regarding your love relationship in the month of December. Venus will stay in your 5th house till 24th of December. Venus will stay in your fifth house till 24th of December. After 24th of December, Venus will move to your sixth house in the sign of Scorpio. So when after 24th of December, Venus will turn into your sixth house, then you need to be take care of your expenses and losses, because from sixth house, Venus will aspect your 12th house, its own house, and 12th house, as we discussed previously, is also deal with your expenses and losses, and sixth house deal with the court case, litigation, and argument. So we can expect these results for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Moon controls your second house, and right now Moon is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Virgo. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of December, and on the basis of 6th December we are predicting for a whole month, because Moon considered as very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these are considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house during these days, also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Mars controls your 11th house and your 6th house. And right now, Mars is moving in your 6th house in the sign of Scorpio. 11th house deal with your gains, your incoming gains is seen from 11th house, your elder siblings, your friend circle, your professional network circle, your hopes and wishes, and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. 6th house deal with your court case, litigation, argument, fights, your loans, your debt is also seen from 6th house, as we discussed previously in Sun section. So right now 6th house in a strong position, and also your 11th house lord is moving your 6th house. So if you are running through any court case in the month of December, then we can expect positive result for you people. Things will turn into your favor, because your house of gains lord is moving in your 6th house, and 6th house lord is also in a strong position, and Jupiter is also moving in your 11th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your competition related matter, regarding your court case related matter in the month of December for all the Gemini ascendant people. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of December. We will have four major astrological events in the month of December. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 6th house. But after 17th of December, Sun will move to your 7th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 5th house. But after 24th of December, Venus will move to your 6th house in the sign of Scorpio. Third major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 7th house, but after 13th of December, Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion in your 7th house and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. Fourth and last Fourth and last major astrological event is that Jupiter is right now moving in your 11th house, and right now Jupiter is moving in its retrograde motion, but after 1st January 2023, Jupiter will turn into its direct motion in your 11th house. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of December 2023 for all the Gemini ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.